I'm here with my assistant, Ash. Ash. And between me and the roommate, we finally got this thing working. Shit from China is just awful. But what do you want for $40, I guess, right? So we're gonna try it out. If I had to buy another one, no, I wouldn't. But it's better than spending a couple $100, I guess. So I gotta clean my bird bath, but this is the new water feature for our water park for our bird friends. It's my plumeria plant that I got from Grandma from a cutting, and some other plants, and of course my morning glory. You can see that from that is a tomato cage Phil gave me, and I turned it upside down and planted those morning glories that I made from those seeds in the toilet paper rolls. And this is her. Pretty cool. And my honeysuckle and some more other morning glories that I got coming up on the vine. Okay, well, I'm good. I hope they like it.